Hi everyone, it's Pam from Pam's Rooted in Green. It's good to have you with me today. I got plant mail. I know what it is and I'm very excited. Let's see. Ow. Okay. Packing. Oh, good. Lots of packing. All right. Nice. Oh, see? It's a Hoya. Let's see, polyneura. Well, it's dry. This little pot looks good. I could make this self-watering easy. Voila, it doesn't fit all the way down in this little yogurt container, so there's about an inch or so right there where I can have a reservoir. Now, let's get into this. I'm going to put it in my chunky aeroid soil that my other Hoyas are in. Oh no, it doesn't even have any roots. Let's X that out. I'm going to put it in something different. Let's see. Another wick. I'll use this pot for another plant. I like that. Oh, this takes a thin wick. These are the hardest ones to get in there because it's so tiny. I have really fat fingers, so it doesn't make it any easier. Okay, I'm going to put it in a stratum and perlite. If this was a Hoya carnosa, I would put it in a chunky mix. But I think these polyneuras have a little different requirement. Yes. So I'm going to try it in this stratum perlite mix. And the node is where the leaves are, so it has to go all the way down. And then I'll pin it. Have these pins so that that node stays in contact with the substrate. There. So there she is. Put her in there. And water. This water has pond start. It's my tap water. It has pond start and fertilizer, foliage focus. So it's in stratum and perlite in a self-watering pot. That's too much water. There. All set. Put it on my shelf with my alocasias and wait for it to root. Thanks for checking in with me today. I hope you have a really good day or night or afternoon. And I'd like to know if you would like, subscribe, and comment. I sure appreciate that. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.